What's going on, everybody? Just chiming in with a quick video because today we are kind of snowed in. It ain't a whole lot of snow. We probably got about 5 inches here, but won't be much of me doing anything outside today in regards to working on these cars. But as you can see, I've already got some internal pieces already drying from what I cleaned. From the engine, the pistons and rockers and things like that, some bolts and stuff, but it's probably in the 20s right now, you know, and that's fairly cold here for the Pacific Northwest, and it's supposed to get even colder. So I think we're getting a little bit of that Midwest storm that you guys had over in the Midwest, but again, it's not a whole lot, but yeah. But I'll show y'all what happened from the snow. Hold on, let me get to that happened right there. So I have a canopy that I use for storage, just to keep some things out of the elements and stuff, and that ish broke. It was so much snow on it, weighed so much. I guess I was trying to scrape it off, and I was hitting it from the inside, and I guess the weight of it just collapsed and just broke. So I had to go buy another one today, and I won't be able to do nothing with it for today, but I'll just have to wait and see when I can put my new one up. Hopefully the one I got is a little bit more sturdy. The poles are a lot bigger than what those are thickness wise, so hopefully those are a lot better. But so yeah, we dealing with some of that storm. I think that storm again came from the Midwest, because I know you guys had it pretty good over there, but now we're getting it now, and so it's supposed to be really cold here all week and snowing off and on. So hopefully it won't last too long, and we can get past it and get back to kind of our normal temps for the month. But anyways, I ain't doing much else today. However, I did actually take the engine block to the shop and to get the cam bearings put in, took the crank in to get that also polished and cleaned up, and then I took some parts from the Chevelle to a buddy of mine who's gonna paint them. So got a whole other process of the car started, and so trying to make waves, trying to get it going. So yeah, me and my girl rode down, and she rode with me, and that was interesting too, because it was slow going because all the roads were, you know, either slush or ice. And then when we came back, it was actually a lot better because it warmed up and the streets were a lot better. So when I came back, I picked up my new canopy, and then now I'm just here chilling for the rest of the day. So again, not much going out, not much else going down, other than just chilling and hanging out for the rest of the day. So anyways, just wanted to chime in on a quick video. We don't see snow here too often, so just wanted to show y'all kind of what's been going on here, and I would prefer this stuff to stay up in the mountains, so it could stay up there. That way, if I want to go up there, snowboard, ski, do whatever, that's cool. But down here, we could just not have this stuff. So I prefer that. But I guess it's good anyway. It's good for the kids. Good to see it every now and then. So anyways, I'm about to be out of here. Peace out, y'all, and have a great day.